It will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it.
Motherfuckers say you got a dream, but shit, I got this beam, and this ain't straight at your team. And yeah, bitch, I'm off a B. Yeah, bitch, I said lean. Only here or there, cause that shit for my brain. But I like that shit good, it make me feel real hood. I like when my brain numb, the shit make me feel good. I don't need your bitch, I don't need your fucking thing. I'd rather get some head, to my friend and maybe her friend. Once again, I go once again. I be smoking once again. Roll another blunt, and I'll smoke that shit to myself. I don't need no one's help. I do this shit cause I feel like it. I don't need shit like it. I just need spice shit. I be smoked so much, it make my brain feel enlightened. And I don't choke that much unless I'm taking dabs, alright man. And you come quick because I come real quicker. You wrote that blunt, well shit, I wrote mine thicker. You say you the man, well shit, I say I'm the nigga. But I got white skin, but I do it much better. I got this fucking sweater, and this shit is a Beretta. You talk shit to me and you know your family will forget ya. In a couple years, I'm not kicking with you queers. Got them gauges in your ears, that shit kinda fucking weird. That's a lie, I like hips and shit. Kicking with my hipster bitch, sucking on my big fat dick. I love when she choke on that shit. Here I go again, on this fucking road, smoking on my weed, doing what you told. I don't need no trees, it's hella cold. Washington PMW, what I roll. Bitch, you ain't got friends, you ain't got shit, you ain't got ties, you ain't with that shit. Everything you say, that shit is so lie. I got bitches hit me up on the left and on the right. I got your bitch suck my nut, one on the left, one on the right. Oh, I'm feeling right, hella fucking high. I'm dead down, I'm mad now. What the fuck you is so bad? Why you gotta lie about where you fucking from? I read that 360, even though it sound kinda dumb. Cause this shit kinda dumb, and this shit really dumb. You counting me out, but you forget I'm number one. I'm counting you now, number one, you is a lame. Number two, you ain't got swag. Number three, you ain't in my lane. You ain't got change, need to do live, but at least I look like it, ho. I be flossing in the street, bossing in the street with your bros, and you ain't getting this shit. You ain't icy, you ain't cold, you ain't from the fucking North fucking pole, bitch. You ain't from the North fucking pole, bitch. Oh, Santa Claus. She ain't got panties, I ain't got draws. What the fuck that shit? Get me in the back with the bad bitch. I'm taking off a bra. She got on top of me, and I just popped this John. Maybe a Molly, and shit get me along. Feeling hella good. Listen to this song. I'm getting real wavy. You can never phase me. Electrifying tase me. All these bitches praise me. I sound like I'm Jay-Z, but I sound like Yeezy. I don't need your help, no one taught me. I'm real breezy, but not like Chris Brown. Y'all niggas don't get down. Y'all niggas don't run towns. Y'all niggas ain't get found. Yeah, I'm saying the N-word and I'm white, you gotta frown. You motherfuckers say it every word, that's how y'all get down. That's how y'all get paid. I'm just trying to get laid. No, I'm not, I want that love, but I don't want no bae. I just want y'all to press that motherfucking play. Give this white boy a chance, and I'll show you how to get it.
Oh my God.